If your pothole is deeper than 30 millimeters, you should build a compacted stone base first and then layer cold tar mix to seal and compact for a durable repair. Start by clearing the pothole of loose debris and water using a stiff broom and a hand pump or towels to ensure a dry surface. For holes deeper than 30 millimeters, add a layer of stone chip to fill most of the depth, keeping the final layer about 10 to 15 millimeters below the surrounding pavement so the repair material can form a crown. Compact the stone chip using a handheld tamper or the back of a shovel until it is firm and does not shift under pressure. Apply cold tar mix in thin lifts of about 10 to 15 millimeters, spreading evenly with a trowel and compacting each lift with a tamper or weighted plate compactor until it is flush with the road surface and slightly crowned to shed water. Work in temperatures above 5 degrees Celsius and avoid repairing just before heavy rain so the materials bond properly. Allow the repaired area to cure for at least 24 hours before allowing traffic, and check the edges later to ensure a tight seam that will not peel. Common mistakes include leaving the hole wet or dirty, which prevents bonding and leads to early failure. So always dry and clean the area first, and use a primer if the product calls for it. Another issue is overfilling the hole with cold mix without proper compaction, which causes voids and settlement. So fill in thin layers and compact each layer thoroughly. A third problem is failing to crown the repair, which allows water to pool and accelerate deterioration. So shape the final surface slightly higher than the adjacent pavement and compress it until the crown is stable. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project guidance related to repairs like pothole patching, helping people find professionals for larger or recurring issues. We also provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips and experiences, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and leads.